This is Dean with Beehive Appliance Company. Today we're going to work on a refrigerator. The complaint was that it wasn't getting cold enough. So one of the possible options that might be the cause of it is the condenser is going to be needed to be cleaned. The condenser on this one is down in the front, in the bottom here. And what we're going to do is grab a condenser brush that you can pick up anywhere, like at Home Depot or Lowe's or any hardware store that would have something like this. So we'll go ahead and proceed and show you how this is done. The coils are underneath there, that's for sure. And this one.
Really garbage.
Yeah, this is the reason you want to clean these out, especially with the pet hair and everything else. This is. Get the vacuum and suck up the rest of that. Most of them are down here in the front. A lot of them are in the, there's a few in the back as well on the condensers. The purpose for this is to dissipate the heat out of the compressor. It's kind of like the radiator of your car. And once your car has a radiator go out, you can overheat the engine. So this is kind of the same principle. So you have to keep this clean so your compressor will cool down and do its job.